I promised you my M2K setup, and since this was number 2 in my profit and loss league table last week, here it is. This setup has been refined over the last couple of months with the help of ChatGPT. But I'm not going to bore you with that process. Instead, in this video, I'm going to show you the actual chart layout, the exact indicator settings, and the real results from last week. No hype. Just the data. Let's start with the chart. This is a 3-minute M2K chart, and the indicator I'm using is QZeus V1. 2A. This is the exact layout I trade, nothing fancy, just clean and functional. Now, let's go through the indicator settings. Time windows. 10:15 to 10:45 and 13:30 to 15:15 each day. Preset, intermediate. Enabled options. Long boost, range boost, and range boost double. Risk trade management. Max contracts. 8. Stop multiplier. 5. Time entropy stop filter. Enabled. Set to 8 and force close. Enabled at end of time string. So those are the exact settings I'm running on M2K. Now let's talk about performance from last week. Again, no hype, just the real numbers. My portfolio view shows a profit of $940 from 6 trades, with no losses. Overall, that's a very clean week. If we look at Tradovate alone, it shows $192 for the week, with 12 trades and 7 wins. The reason for the difference is that I was trading this on the same account as my 5-minute M2K QZeus. That system hit the daily loss limit on Thursday and Friday, which locked the account and meant the M2K losses on those days never happened. So in pure isolation, I should only have had about $192 from M2K last week, and that's still positive. But because I run this as part of a systematic portfolio, the combined result ended up being over $700 better. Before we finish, let's zoom out and look at the 365-day view in TradingView. Profit last 12 months $10,888. Max drawdown $1,412. Total trades 535. Win rate 55% profitable. Profit factor 1,424. So this isn't a one-week wonder. It's a system that's been grinding away over a full year with controlled drawdown. If you're finding these videos useful and you like this no-hype, data-first approach, I'd really appreciate it if you hit like and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot, and it means you won't miss the next videos where I break down the overnight Q-grid results and my MYM setup. Last week, this was number 2 in my PL league table. Let's see if it can hold that spot next week. In the next video, I'll break down my MYM setup and where that fits into the overall playbook.